Chapter 7. Rocks and Minerals. The earth is made up of rocks. Rocks are found everywhere on the earth and under the sea. Rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances present in rocks. Rocks may contain one or more minerals. Types of rocks. Rocks are grouped into three kinds, depending on the way they are formed: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Let us learn about each of these rocks. Factopedia. The word igneous means made from fire. Igneous rocks. You have learned in the previous class that the earth is made up of three layers: crust, mantle, and core. You have also learned that the earth's core is made of molten rocks. The molten rock inside the earth is called magma. When it flows out onto the earth's surface, it is called lava. When a volcano erupts, magma flows onto the earth's surface as lava. Igneous rocks are formed by the cooling of lava above or just under the earth's surface. Almost 95% of the earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Depending on the kind of minerals present, igneous rocks are of different kinds. Granite. It is a hard igneous rock that is formed by the slow cooling of lava. It contains the minerals feldspar, quartz, and mica. Depending on the minerals present, its color can vary from pink, gray, or black. It is used as a building material, to make statues, to make kitchen counters, floors, etc. Obsidian. It is formed by the quick cooling of lava on the earth's surface. It is smooth and glossy, with sharp edges. It is usually black or dark colored. It is used to make jewelry and tools. Pumice. It is formed by the quick cooling of lava. Froth. It is porous, full of holes, thus very light. Pores are formed due to gases trapped in it. It is the only rock that can float. It is used as a body scrubber, to polish floors, and to make lightweight building materials, like concrete blocks. Basalt. It is formed by the quick cooling of lava on the earth's surface. It is a dense rock and is dark in color. It is used in the construction of roads. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks or mountains are broken down by rain, wind, and water. These small bits of rocks, carried by flowing water, settle at the bottom of the river and ocean beds. Repeated deposition presses down the lower layers and hardens them into rocks. Layers of rocks called sediments are formed. Very often dead remains of plants and animals also get buried in the sediments. Due to heat and pressure, sedimentary rocks are formed after millions of years. Sedimentary rocks are of different kinds. Some of them are discussed below. Factopedia. Sedimentary rocks make up only less than 5% of the total Earth's rocks. Sandstone. It is a soft rock formed by sand particles cemented together. It contains mostly grains of quartz. It is used to make buildings. Many of India's famous buildings, such as the Red Fort and Qutub Minar in Delhi, are made of sandstone. Conglomerate. It is formed of pebbles, gravel, and boulders cemented together into a mass. It is coarse, uneven, and rough to touch. It is a hard rock that is used for construction purposes and is also polished to make ornaments. Limestone. It is a rock that has fine grains and the mineral calcite that is present in the shells of sea animals. It is used to make paper, cement, chewing gum, lime, etc. Shale. It is a rock that is made of solidified clay. It can come apart in thin layers. It is a soft rock used to make bricks, chalk, tiles, and for surfacing roads. Factopedia. Coal is a sedimentary rock. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have changed their form due to physical and chemical changes in igneous or sedimentary rocks. The changes occur due to heat and pressure. Metamorphic rocks are of different kinds. Some of them are discussed below. Factopedia. To metamorphose means to change form. Marble. Marble is metamorphosed sedimentary rock called limestone. Marble is used as a material for flooring, building, and to make statues.
The famous Taj Mahal in Agra is made from white marble.
Slate. Slate is metamorphosed shale. It can be split into flat layers or sheets. It is grey or black in color and is used to make blackboards. Garnice, pronounced as nice. Garnice is metamorphosed granite. It has different minerals that give it a striped or streaked look. It contains mica that makes it glitter. Quartzite. Quartzite is metamorphosed sandstone. It is a very hard rock and is weather resistant. It is rich in the mineral quartz. It is used in the glass and ceramic industry. It is also used to make jewelry and ornaments. Minerals. Minerals are chemical substances that are found inside the earth. They are formed due to natural processes within the earth. Minerals are found in mixtures called ores. Minerals that are very hard to be formed are called gemstones. Gemstones are very rare, hence very expensive. Ruby, emerald, and diamond are examples of gemstones. Uses of rocks and minerals. Most of the things that we use in our daily life have some connection with rocks and minerals. Given below are some uses of rocks and minerals. Bricks, cement, tar, and concrete made from rocks are used as building materials. Metals are extracted from rocks. Metals like iron and copper are used to make household articles like utensils. Gold, silver, and platinum are precious metals used in making ornaments and jewelry. Coal and petroleum are two useful fuels obtained from rocks. Minerals like sulfates and nitrates are added as fertilizers to help plants to grow better. Minerals like diamond, ruby, and emerald are found in crystals. They are polished and used in jewelry. Rock salt, kala namak, chalk, and talcum powder are derived from rocks. Indeed, talca, found in talcum powder, is the softest minerals. Factopedia. Our body needs some minerals, although in very small quantities. Calcium, iron, and sodium are some minerals needed by our body. Factopedia. Uranium is a rare mineral that can be used to produce large amounts of energy. Fossil fuels. Fossils that are found deep under the earth change to fuels due to heat and pressure over a period of millions of years. Fuels obtained from fossils are called fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are examples of fossil fuels. Coal is a fossil fuel formed from swampy forests that got buried deep inside the earth. Due to heat and pressure, these plant remains changed into coal. Coal is a fossil fuel that is used in steam engines for heating, cooking, and in blast furnaces. Petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that got buried under the sea millions of years ago. Due to heat and pressure, they changed into petroleum. Petroleum is a black thick liquid that needs to be refined in factories to obtain petrol, cosmetics, fertilizers, and plastics. Natural gas. Natural gas is used nowadays in the form of CNG, compressed natural gas. It is found near petroleum deposits. CNG is a clean, eco-friendly fuel and does not cause air pollution. PNG or petroleum natural gas is used nowadays for cooking purposes. It reaches our homes through pipelines. Life skills: do not pollute the air, use eco-friendly fuels. Conserve fossil fuels, switch to alternative fuels. The demand of fuel has increased due to the increasing population, modernization and urbanization. You have learned that fossil fuels take millions of years to be formed, but they are being consumed at a much faster rate. If we continue to consume them at this rate, we would soon face an acute shortage of fuels. Burning of fossil fuels also causes air pollution. Thus, there is an urgent need to use alternative fuels like solar energy, hydro energy, and wind energy as renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are unlimited and non-polluting. New words: magma, hot molten rock, found deep inside the earth. Lava, magma, that comes out on the Earth's surface. Minerals, naturally occurring chemical substances found in rocks. Fossil fuels, fuels obtained from fossils. Igneous rocks, rocks formed due to cooling of lava. Sedimentary rocks, rocks that are formed due to the deposition of rock particles that have been washed down from mountains. Metamorphic rocks, rocks that are formed due to changes in igneous or sedimentary rocks. A quick recall: rocks are found everywhere on the earth and are of three kinds: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are formed by the cooling down of lava. Granite, pumice, and basalt are examples of igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from deposition of small pieces of rocks at the bottom of water bodies. Sandstone and limestone are examples of sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from changes in igneous or sedimentary rocks due to heat and pressure. Rocks and minerals are useful to us in several ways. Fossil fuels like coal and petroleum take millions of years to be formed. We can reduce the use of fossil fuels by using alternative sources of energy like wind, sun, and water.